ancient things in a modern time. Open your mind, my youth. Listen, listen. It's a book full up a page, but your soul at the library. Enough man chase chain, can't even find clarity. Them run down fame, them a slave to the vanity. Ask them who them be, them tell you about salary. Hear me now, Granny say, thank you for little more soon come. So me count every blessing when drop like drum. When storm cloud gather and the sky get done, I guess so you find out where your wisdom from. Everlasting wisdom, that are the real kingdom. It they along for the church and the throne, deep in your marrow, deep in your bone. Everlasting wisdom, cut through the doubt and the ism. When the world get low and your heart feel cold, hold tight to the truth we can grow. Hear me now, some man quote first but them heart still hollow. Judge every youth but them shadow them follow. Beat pan chest but them spirit feel shallow. Big speech pan stage but a lie them swallow. Me say take time, humble your step me brother. Real brave man know say him still can better. Now watch next man play it, mind your own little cheddar. Cause greed turn friend in a teeth and header. Check it, make your mind do push up, read more than caption. No sell out your soul for 2-day distraction. Life a long road, you need real traction. Wisdom are the fuel, me say that with passion. Everlasting wisdom, that are the real kingdom. It they along for the chain and the gold. Deep in your marrow, deep in your soul. Everlasting wisdom, cut through the hype and the ism. When the screen get bright and your heart feel cold, hold tight to the truth we can't grow old. Who a guide you, the scroll or the spirit? Who you rate, high likes are the lyrics? Enough things flashy, enough things timid, but truth well simple, you're not fi mimic. Take care how you talk to yourself, me friend. Word I like seed them a grow again. Every little thought a one little stone. Build up a palace or build up a tomb. Everlasting wisdom, that are the real kingdom. It they along for the church and the throne. Deep in your marrow, deep in your bone. Everlasting wisdom, cut through the doubt and the ism. When the world get low and your heart feel cold, hold tight to the truth we can't grow old. Everlasting. Everlasting. Them say, mind. Them say, mind where your mind I say. Cause word is spirit. See. Me granny tell me you watch your talk. Same tongue we bless, same one can't fall. Word like seed, every sound fine grown. Plant in a heart, it grow or it drown. Me brethren laugh, say word can't hurt, but scarp and soul not show up on shirt. Stone broke bone, but speech broke faith. One careless line lock you out the gate. Words of guidance, take heed, me friend. Watch how you send. Every sentence a rope or a ladder. Lift them up or make them bend. Words of guidance, truth in your jaw. Use it for heal, not for war. Talk like you know, said ya listen. mind where your mind a drop. Enough man chat, brave heart still weak. I dine joke, them afraid to speak. Them swallow pain, but it burn like rum. Better cry out than go and play dumb. Me say, King, your voice is your sword. Him say, G, me poor. Me tell him, rich man lie with smooth grammar, still poor in a law, rich in a drama. So reason clean, make your sentence pure. Put little love in a the line, them more. Every a man come with respect. Every miss sorry fix one regret. Words of guidance, take heed, me friend. Watch how you send. Every sentence a rope or a ladder. Lift them up or make them bend. Words of guidance, truth in your jaw. Use it, feel, no feel war. Talk like you know, said ya listen. Mind where your mind a drop. Careful where you call yourself. Me a fool, me a waste that a black spell. Boss, try say me a grow, me a learn. Dash little faith pon the fire till it burn. When you bless your picnic with word, then walk out. Even be a foot pon the dirt. When you curse them out like your vex, them carry them echo till them neck get flex. Me chant, rise up till me throat get hoarse. Cause system love when we silent, of course. Them afraid of truth in a plain talk. Star one simple nah mash up, one big war. Overstand this, every proverb sharp. Old time talk of science and art. Who can hear them must feel that real. But better them hear sweet truth and kneel. Words of guidance, take heed me friend. Watch how you send. Every sentence a rope or a ladder. Lift them up or make them bend. Words of guidance, truth in your jaw. Use it, feel, no feel war. Talk like you know, said ya listen. Mind where your mind a drop. So when you heal man, heal with grace. Call queen, queen, may she hold our place. He say, talk life, talk life, talk love. Every syllable a prayer to above. Yeah, words of guidance, hold them tight. Chat righteousness till things set right. Them say freedom a myth, a trick for the weak heart. Them lock up your mind from the very start. But I man know a truth deeper than the sea. Liberate your spirit, set your soul free. Chains invisible, them holding us down. Oh, Babylon chains, them can't hold I man brain. Oh, mental prison, break free with a vision. Oh, open your eyes, see through all them lies. This system a lie, the news a deception. Them want you asleep, no introspection. But the ancestors say, wake up and arise. Find your own wisdom beyond them disguise. No fear no more. them a grow, them a scroll, but them not really know. Well, heap a book, but them can't find soul. Big phone, but the mind still cold. Me say, you man, come see down. Ancient things make me reason it down. Grandma proverb, Bible on the shelf. If you don't know your roots, you will lose yourself. Teach the youth before the street reach the youth. Give me the chalk and the truth. Make me speak for the youth, yeah. Plant good seed in a mind, watch fruit. From zinc fence lane to the hilltop root. Teach the youth before the street reach the youth. Give me the drum and the truth. Make we heal for the youth, yeah. Tell them stand firm when the system brute. 'Cause a lion heart live in a every little youth. Them say big up the hype, me say big up the head. 'Cause a wise meditation feed belly with bread. No jealous where your neighbor a drive. Ask yourself, oh me a build me life. No bow for likes, me say love your skin. Black, brown, any shade, beauty there within. Overstand every scar a story. No bleach out your pain, turn it into glory. Teach the youth before the street reach the youth. Give me the chalk and the truth. Make me speak for the youth. Plant good seed in the mind, watch fruit. From zinc fence lane to the hilltop root. Teach the youth before the street reach the youth. Give me the drum and the truth. Make we heal for the youth, yeah. Tell them stand firm when the system brute. 'Cause a lion heart live in a every little youth. Youth man, who you listen? Man pan corner, are you in a wisdom? Check your friends, check your vision. Some smile wide, but them plan division. Y'all pick me, you a queen from birth. Now sell cheap, you a diamond worth. If him can't wait, him a can't be king. Real royalty walk with discipline. Teach the youth before the street reach the youth. Give me the chalk and the truth. Make me speak for the youth. Plant good seed in the mind, watch fruit. From zinc fence lane to the hilltop root. Teach the youth before the street reach the youth. Give me the drum and the truth. Make we heal for the youth. Tell them stand firm when the system brute. 'Cause a lion heart live in a every little youth. Man, I reason with the moonlight. Smoker, but my mind bright. Man, I reason with the moonlight. Smoker, but my mind bright. Granny said, kick me, study life. From them time, yeah, me know the vibes, yeah. Them tell we just praise and pray, no ask why. But me heart keep knock, me can't lie. Me say teacher how the system set. Him say shh, youth, no make fret. But me read up, me dig deep. Find truth where them keep like secret meat. From Kemet script to mountain chant. From shanty roof to temple grant. Every little book where me take up, and next little chain start break up. She said the real key, no, they in that door. Is right there, so knowledge is power. Knowledge are the real gold. Star, mind sharp like a spear, can't sell me a dream it to aware now. Open your eye, cause knowledge is power. Hey. Rise up from the dust and talk. Brain well full where them who are small. Truth are the fire weapon, them false flower. Hold head high, knowledge is power. Enough man flex, big brain still lean. Brand new crep, but heart them green. Quick fi wobble, black and scheme. Slow fi read one page, one theme. Youth, remember say your flesh a go rotten, but every wise word live long forgotten. Use your IQ fi heal, no fi hide. Turn the ghetto to a garden tie. If every question start shake up room, from chalkboard straight back a yard home, yeah. Them hate when the dirty plan sour, so them fight it, cause knowledge is power. Knowledge are the real gold star. Mind sharp like a spear can't par. Them can't sell me a dream it to aware no. Open your eye, cause knowledge is power. Word. Rise up from the dust and talk. Brain well full where them want smart. Truth are the fire we burn them fast flow. Hold your head high, knowledge is power. Them give we gossip on the timeline, but not teach we about the landmine. Food law online, bloodline. Who write the rule book, who design? So when them ask fire, always a read. Tell them, I saw me water, me see, yeah. Brains well fed, can't easy devour. Lion pon the hill, knowledge is power. Knowledge are the real gold star. Mind sharp like a spear, can't par. Them can't sell me a dream, it too aware now. Open your eye, cause knowledge is power. Knowledge is rise up from the dust. Brain well full, where them want smart. Truth are the fire we burn them fast flow. Hold your head high, hold your head high. Study up your life, them can't change mind. That a higher tower. Remember this, youth, knowledge is power. Them say overstand, open your mind, take time. Ancient word on the page, still a speaking at this age. Missy preacher them chat, but them action can't match. So me dive deep, line by line, to see why I lie, why I sign. Truth in the scriptures, read them slow. Ask the question, spirit show. Every chapter, every sign, light a spark in your mind. Truth in the scriptures, heart for clean. Wash your eyes so you can pray and see. From Genesis straight till Revelation time. Jah code they hide in the light. Them love cherry pick verse, build big church, same curse. But the little verse about love, them not quote that enough. Help the poor that they clear, still them pass when suffer they near. If you read with your chest, you will know our verse for test. Truth in the scriptures, read them slow. Ask the question, spirit show. Every chapter, every sign, light a spark in your mind. Truth in the scriptures, heart for clean. Wash your eyes so you can pray unseen. From Genesis straight till Revelation time. Jah code they hide in the light. Watch this. Word a sword but a scalpel too. Cut out ear, stitch back truth. No read for style, read for your fears. Meditate on love and grace. Truth in all the scriptures, read them slow. Ask the question, spirit show. Every chapter, every sign, light a spark in your mind. Truth in all the scriptures, heart for clean. Wash your eyes so you can pray unseen. From Genesis straight till Revelation time. Jah code they hide in the line. One more time. Wickedness I go down low. Champion Babylon, you know. We are the youth, we full of fire. Burning bright, burning higher. Rise up. From the dust, rise up, in our Jah trust. Them try to keep us in a chain, but we are break free from the pain. Every lesson we are learn it true. Guidance from the I and I crew. Rise up, from the dust. Rise up, in a Jah trust. No fear, no doubt, no more. Open up the wisdom door. Me see down pon the yard, elders a talk. Cigarette don't know, yet them mind still sharp. Wrinkle palm face, but the eye them bright. Them say, youth man, learn to listen, yo, we walk with light. Them say, take time, little boy, no rush the days. Quick cash sweet, but it fade like haze. Plant good seed, watch the soil take care. Not trade your soul for a little bus fear. Wisdom of the elder, hear it when them call. Stand up straight, now bow your soul at all. Them voice like drumbeat, echo down the lane. Hold your head high, even when you feel pain. Wisdom of the elder, make we all stay strong. Walk good, youth, keep treading on. From Kenfield story to the ghetto prior, them ancient words still beating right. So in a weird, me granny tell me, no good them things. Jealousy bite, it cut deeper than sting. Clean up your corner, make your spirit clean. clear. Blessing can't miss you when your conscience fear. Old man Joe say me lose, me win. Me taste enough sorrow, me drown in sin. Still Jah pull me, wipe off me shame. So go on, trust the journey, no cuss your name. Them say make your heart soft, but your backbone hard. You can't please world, just guard your yard. No both is status chain, no brand. It's truth in your chest, make you real big man. Wisdom of the elder, hear it when them call. Stand up straight, no bow your soul at all. Them voice like drum beat, echo down the lane. Hold your head high, even when you feel pain. Wisdom of the elder, make we heart stay strong. Walk good, youth keep trotting on. From Canfield story to the ghetto prior, them ancient words still beating right, yeah. So in a way, from long time, story them did it. Yeah, man. Listen. Granny said, you mind where you try. River deep, but it's starting now one little mud. Ancient book on the old board shelf. Dust pan page, but it talk about self. Man a run down fame, man a chase that goal. But a discipline make the lion so bold. Head fi stay cool when the world get hot. You can't plant hate and expect love crop. Ancient teachings never get old. Word them heavy like a pot of Dutch coal. Stand firm, you remember where you're from. All a creation in a one little palm. Ancient teachings whisper in a breeze. Tell you take time, humble your knees. Know yourself for the first command. Walk on truth like a solid land. Hey, elder say knowledge higher than the eye rise. Real rich man are the one way wise. Enough book read but your heart still blind. Can't see God in a stranger you find. Dark soft but your spirit most strong. Right still right if a million wrong. When trouble knock, remember every little line. Darkness come but it can't stop time. Ancient teachings never get old. Word them heavy like a pot of Dutch gold. Stand firm, youth, remember where you're from. All our creation in a one little palm. Ancient teachings whisper in a breeze. Tell you take time, humble your knees. Know yourself for the first command. Walk on truth like a solid land. Them say slow your ears, make your days get long. He ain't a teacher, it a write your song. Lift up your brother when him down palm face. Can't chat love and still breed disgrace. Nah, watch how you live, every little choice. Conscience are the drum, hear the little voice. From the hilltop, from the riverside. Same one law where you go van the tide. Ancient teachings never get old. Word them heavy like a pot of Dutch gold. Stand firm, you remember where you're from. All our creation in a one little palm. Ancient teachings whisper in a breeze. Tell you take time, humble your knees. Know yourself for the first command. Walk on truth like a solid land. Stand firm. Ancient teachings living how we song. Pass it go, carry it along. Yeah, man. Ancient things, you know. Listen keen, youth man, little but me talawa. Them say, if you want high truth, write it in a book. Whole heap of page, but enough man can't look. Scroll, roll tight on the shelf, get dust. Mind lock up when you not have trust. Hold bread up on the lane, my chance off. Study yourself first, then you study map. Heart of the compass, word of the staff. Walk with your purpose, try and no stop. Scrolls of knowledge, open up wide. Make the wisdom breathe, school you inside. Read for your soul, no read for pride. Take in the teachings, use them for guide. Scrolls of knowledge, pass it along. Give it to your daughter, give it to your son. Every little line like fire pan drum. Wake up the spirit, tell fear run, run. Get a youth vex, said the system lean. Mind pan the iPad, bow the screen. Me say, take up a book, brother, take up a scene. History deeper than where you ever pre. Words them a ladder, step by step. Each little lesson, next little step. Feel and you learn, you no lose your prep. Champion farm when you sharpen your head. Scrolls of knowledge, open up wide. Make the wisdom breathe, school you inside. Read for your soul, no read for pride. Take in the teachings, use them for guide. Scrolls of knowledge, pass it along. Give it to your daughter, give it to your son. Every little line like fire pan drum. Wake up the spirit, tell fear run, run. Yeah. Why you a defend status or growth? You can't walk crown and fear the road. Every king start out with empty load. This study and stumble build heavy code. Scrolls of knowledge, open up wide. Make the wisdom breathe, school you inside. Read for your soul, no read for pride. Take in the teachings, use them for